Okay, this is Unit D, and today is August 7th. Let's take a look. We got the paint up, white ceilings. It's all done nicely. They even got some white on the window sills. And we got the transition, the white ceilings and the gray walls coming together. We got the tub, the backsplash done. Nice windows, nice and clean in here. Getting ready to place the floors and the toilet. Still got to paint this wall here, white. That's all trimmed out. Just got to get the HVAC system in here. So this is looking good right now. It's hallway smooth coated out. Those ceilings are ready. We got to get the ceilings down below. But in here, this is Unit C. It's all done. He's doing the touches up here. And that backsplash is done. They spin the white on today. So it's looking good. We're getting ready to do this hallway here. It's gonna get all smooth coated the same and get it all cleaned up and looking bright. Can't wait.